How to change your Ryobi ride-on mower blades. When changing the blades on your Ryobi electric ride-on mower, there are two ways to access the blades. You can remove the deck or raise the mower. If you choose to raise the mower to access the blades, make sure the mower is properly secured and the parking brake is set before proceeding. Failure to properly secure the mower could cause it to fall, resulting in death or possible serious personal injury. Caution: only use genuine Ryobi blade bolts. The use of unauthorized blade bolts is hazardous and may damage your ride-on mower. For this demonstration, we will remove the deck from the ride-on mower for easier access. This is the recommended and simplest way to access the blades. To remove the deck, first make sure the direction control switch is in the neutral position and the blade engaged knob is down. Remove the start key and set the parking brake. Then disconnect the cables that connect the cutting deck to the mower. Lower the cutting deck to its lowest position and remove the 4 hitch pins and washers that secure the cutting deck in place. Then remove the bolts holding the deck to the mower. With the deck free from the mower, slide the deck out from under the mower. To remove the blades, place a block of wood between the blade and the mower deck to prevent the blade from turning. Then loosen the blade nut by turning it counterclockwise using a 15mm wrench or socket. Remove the blade nut, spacer, blade insulator, and blade. Place the new blade on the shaft against the corresponding blade post. Ensure the blade is properly seated with the shaft going through the center blade hole and the 2 blade posts inserted into their respective holes on the blade. When seated properly, the blade should be flat against the blade posts. Make sure it is installed with the curved ends pointing towards the mower deck. Install the blade insulator and spacer, making sure the flat sides of each piece align and the straight sides of the opening on the spacer are aligned with the straight sides of the blade shaft. Next, thread the blade nut on the shaft and finger tighten. To finish, torque the blade nut down clockwise using a torque wrench to ensure the bolt is properly tightened. The recommended torque for the blade nut is 68 to 74 Nm. Note: make certain all parts are replaced in the exact order in which they were removed. Repeat these steps for the other blade. When putting the deck back on, be sure to check the alignment and level the deck from side to side before leveling the deck from front to back. Instructions for leveling the deck are in the operator's manual. For more information, please visit ryobitools.eu, where you'll find further product details and contact information for your local customer services team.